lot of people want clear and immersive sound, but often end up with earphones that break easily or don't block outside noise. The real solution is choosing wired IEMs that deliver comfort, durability, and professional-level audio. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best wired IEM earphones available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these earphones, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Sennheiser IE100 Pro in-ear monitors, built for people who want studio-level sound quality and reliable performance every time. They use a 10mm dynamic driver that delivers a balanced and detailed sound. You get deep bass, clear mids, and bright highs, giving you clean audio without distortion, whether you're a musician or just someone who loves professional sound. They also feature passive noise isolation that reduces up to 26 decibels of outside noise. This makes them a great choice for live shows or noisy places, letting you enjoy every detail without cranking the volume too high, while also protecting your hearing. One of their biggest strengths is the reinforced detachable cable. It's built with an internal structure that makes it tough against pulls and heavy use. Because it's modular, it's easy to replace if it wears out, which means you can count on them for long-term durability. The lightweight ergonomic design naturally follows the shape of your ear, giving you a comfortable and secure fit. Their slim profile keeps them in place even when you're moving, making them ideal for long sessions or active performances. With a low impedance of 20 ohms, they can connect to a wide range of devices, from audio interfaces and players to smartphones, without losing power or quality. This makes them practical and versatile for everyday use. They also keep the sound pure even at high volumes, avoiding distortion and maintaining strong dynamics, something that's essential for professional monitoring. Inside the box, you get a full set of accessories, including multiple ear tips in different sizes, a carrying case, and a cleaning tool. These extras help you personalize the fit, keep them safe during transport, and maintain them in top condition, making them one of the best wired IEM options out there. Next up, we have the Shure Aonic 215 earphones, a great choice for anyone looking for clear sound and an experience free from distractions. With noise isolation of up to 37 decibels, they cut down outside sounds so you can enjoy music or take calls even in loud places like subways or airports. They're built with balanced armature drivers that deliver rich audio, offering deep bass and crisp highs in a compact, lightweight design. This makes them perfect for long listening sessions without losing audio quality or causing discomfort. One of their biggest highlights is the detachable 3.5mm cable. It's easy to replace, carry, or plug directly into laptops and in-flight entertainment systems without needing adapters. The low-profile ergonomic fit sits securely in the ear, and the cable that wraps around the ear keeps them steady and tangle-free while in use. You'll also find an integrated microphone and remote, making it simple to answer calls, adjust the volume, or use voice assistants without pulling out your phone. On top of that, the durable build is designed to handle daily use, and the peace of mind of a 2-year warranty adds extra value. The package comes with practical accessories including multiple ear tips in different sizes for the best fit, a carrying case to protect them, and even the option to choose from several colors like black, blue, white, or clear. All these details make these earphones a versatile and reliable option for anyone who wants comfort, durability, and high-quality sound in a wired IEM. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the MEE Audio M6 Pro in-ear monitors, built for people who want clear, professional sound without giving up comfort. They use an ultra-thin 5-micron diaphragm and an aluminum voice coil, which creates precise movement for a balanced sound. You get defined mids and smooth highs, making them perfect for stage use or everyday listening. They also feature a passive noise isolation system with silicone and comply foam ear tips that effectively block outside sounds. This allows you to enjoy your music at a lower volume while protecting your hearing, even in noisy environments. The flexible memory wire hooks fit around your ears, keeping them secure and comfortable for hours. This makes them a solid choice for rehearsals, live shows, or long practice sessions. You'll find a detachable and replaceable cable available in 2 versions, a standard one and another with a built-in microphone and remote. This adds versatility, letting you use them in the studio with your phone or on stage, while easily swapping the cable if it wears out. With an IPX5 sweat-resistant build, they're tough enough to handle demanding conditions, making them reliable for active musicians or anyone who works out regularly. They're designed to last while still delivering consistent performance. The box includes a set of useful accessories like a hard carrying case, a 1/4-inch adapter, multiple ear tips in different materials, and shirt clips. These extras help ensure comfort, protection, and practicality in everyday use. On top of that, they come with customizable and replaceable metal faceplates, giving you the chance to add a personal touch to their look without sacrificing sound quality. All these details make them a well-rounded and versatile option within the best wired IEM earphones category. Now let's move on to the Mackie MP220 in-ear monitors, a pair designed to deliver power and precision. They come with dual dynamic drivers that work together to create a more balanced and detailed sound. The bass feels deep, the mids stay clear, and the highs shine naturally, giving you an immersive experience whether you're on stage or just enjoying music every day. These earphones provide noise isolation of up to 40 decibels, helping to block out background sounds effectively. This makes it easier to focus on every detail of your audio, even in very loud environments, offering the kind of fidelity that stands out both for professionals and casual listeners. The low-profile ergonomic housing is built to fit naturally in the ear, giving a secure and stable hold even during active movement. They're comfortable enough for long sessions, rehearsals, or live performances without causing discomfort. The braided cable with internal shielding is built to audiophile standards. This construction reduces interference, prevents tangling, and ensures long-lasting durability, which is key when they're used daily under demanding conditions. With the detachable connector, you can replace or rotate the cable without damaging the earphones. This not only extends their lifespan, but also gives more flexibility and convenience, adapting to different setups and needs. The rugged and reliable build makes sure they hold up against daily wear and tear. They're made for musicians who need consistent sound and gear they can depend on through every performance. They also come with a hard carrying case to protect them from drops or impacts, along with a clip to attach to backpacks. This adds both portability and safety, making them a solid and practical choice among the best wired IEM earphones available. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the Moondrop 2 in-ear monitors, a pair that blends thoughtful design with impressive sound quality. They feature a diaphragm made of an aluminum magnesium alloy, striking the right balance between strength and lightness. This gives you detailed highs, solid bass, and overall clarity that truly stands out. Their dual polymer suspension helps minimize distortion, adding even more fidelity to the listening experience. Another key highlight is their ability to keep distortion below 0.5%, ensuring a natural and precise sound even in complex music passages. This makes them perfect for anyone who wants to catch every nuance with total accuracy. The CNC machined brass nozzle not only adds durability but also improves acoustic precision. It comes with a replaceable filter that makes maintenance simple while extending the life of the earphones, all without compromising sound quality. The metal alloy housing with a protective coating delivers both style and durability, keeping them safe from corrosion and wear, so they maintain their look and performance over time. They use a universal 0.78mm 2-pin detachable cable, allowing you to swap it out easily or connect to different accessories like neck bands, Bluetooth modules, or true wireless systems. This flexibility adds more ways to use them depending on your needs. With a frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz and a low impedance of 18 ohms, they produce powerful audio while staying compatible with a wide range of devices, from smartphones to professional players, without losing quality. In the box, you'll find useful extras, including a protective case, 3 pairs of ear tips in small, medium, and large sizes, plus a manual. These additions ensure comfort, safety, and proper care, making these earphones a smart and reliable choice for everyday use. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect wired IEM earphones, or if there's another pair of wired IEMs you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.